Hey, welcome back. Thank you for watching the second episode of Ducks Quack at SPC 11. Guys, I'm very excited today because we have awesome people with me. And what we're going to talk about is the pre-conference and post-conference sessions at SPC 11. In case you guys don't know, the actual conference starts on Monday, October 3rd, but that Sunday there's a pre-conference session, and then on the Thursday, is it Thursday or Friday? Steve? Thursday's a post-conference session. So
I can't hear because of my hair.
Sorry. Before we get going here, I'd like everybody to meet some awesome people in the SharePoint and project world. So let's get started with you, Jan. Jan, tell everybody who you are, what you do, and really why you're excited about SPC 11.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jan Kallis. I'm the Technical Product Manager for Microsoft Project. I'm also the PPM Project and Portfolio Management Competency Manager, and I am responsible for project presence at SharePoint Conference, and that's why I'm really excited. And I'm even more excited about the technical pre-event that we are doing specifically for SharePoint partners. But I'm pretty sure that we'll have time to talk about that.
Great. Thank you. Scott?
Yeah, so my name is Scott Jameson at Jornada. I'll be doing 4 sessions during SPC, and I'll also be doing the pre-day session with Christoph Fessinger, and we'll be doing the managing the SharePoint lifecycle using Project Server on the pre-day.
Very good.
Yeah, and that's on the project pre-day. Just
on the project pre-day on Sunday.
Hey, so are you Steve Fox? Is he there?
Yeah, I'm here underneath all this hair. I don't know the last time you guys saw me. I had shorter hair. I've grown it out into a nice, mullet. It's like party in the back, business up front sort of thing. So here I am. We are definitely going to be down at SPC. Excited to be there. We're going to be doing a post-conference. There's a few of us from Microsoft that are going down. For those who don't know me, I work at Microsoft in the Developer and Platform Evangelism Group. And we are doing a post-con on Thursday, and it's all going to be about how you integrate SharePoint with the cloud and Windows Azure. We're going to be focusing on that as a core topic during the week. We also have lots of sessions during the week, and we're looking forward to SharePoint and all the other great social events that are going to happen. And I have one question for you, Jan. Have you actually read all those books that are on your bookcase behind you?
Well, I wrote like a half of them, so that's a great question, and I read some of those. Yeah.
You wrote half of them. Are they children's books? Or are they?
No, they're serious project books.
So Jan, let's talk about Sunday. Like Sunday, right? So what's going on? What's going on the pre-conference session on Sunday? I know there's a couple of sessions, but the project team is making a big splash. What should people expect, and why should people go there?
Yeah, so first of all, this pre-day is specifically targeted at SharePoint partners who want to explore the advanced capabilities of SharePoint through Microsoft Project, and Project is built on top of SharePoint. So we have awesome speakers. We have MVPs like you, Doug, and you, Scott. We have our keynote speaker, Arpan Shah. He's the director of project now, and I know that many SharePoint people know him very well. And so the structure of the pre-day would be that in an hour or so, we try to give you a little business background, and then it's a technical drill down. So as Scott mentioned, he's talking with Christoph Fessinger about the great solution to SharePoint governance that he built for us. Then there's a lot of demos. We talk about IT Pro stuff right after, and we talk also about how to develop, how to leverage all the capabilities that you know from SharePoint to develop for Project Server. And then we are actually wrapping up with executive panel with Doug, Scott, and Arpan.
Great. Well, Scott, what are you looking forward to? I know there's a pre-day you're going to do, but the whole week, what are you looking forward to? SPC 11. Sounds like it's going to be.
So the funny thing is, I changed my flight 3 times just to get there for Sunday, as you guys know. So I couldn't miss that pre-project day, that project pre-day, because it's going to be a great event. I'm also doing 3 sessions on Monday, another one on Tuesday, and then we've got the October Fiesta Wednesday night. And I think those are the big events in addition to the Disneyland party on Tuesday. So there's going to be so many sessions, so many great events, and I can't wait.
Steve, so
Yeah.
what should people expect on your post-conference?
So the post-conference is 4 hours from 2 to 6 on Thursday afternoon. It's going to be an exhibition hall, it'll be an enclosed space. It's geared towards developers, and it's basically, if you don't know what Windows Azure is and you want to understand how you can begin to integrate Windows Azure with SharePoint. So for example, if you want to deploy services or put data in the cloud or begin to do things like that, then we will basically be walking you through the basics of how you integrate Windows, Azure, and SharePoint. So again, it's 4 hours. It's I love the hat. There you go. You see?
Wait, I think Jan's got an idea. Hold on.
Yeah, you know what? I just registered for your post-conference yesterday. I'm looking very much at that.
Good. I can't wait to see you there. So yeah, so we've got 4 hours. It's going to be interesting. We've got Andrew Connell, myself, and Girish Raja, who are going to be doing kind of quick hit lectures. And what that means is we're actually going to do really no slides. We'll just walk through some code, walk through some practical concepts, and then give people some lab time. We'll walk around and proctor. But the whole goal is like a 4-hour boot camp on just getting up and running. And then we'll have a 2-hour social for those. We got about 50, 70 spaces for people who want to come out afterwards with us at the House of Blues to have either a beer or listen to some music or just chat. So it'll be fun.
People will get to play with Azure.
Yeah, they'll get tokens to come in. They'll actually get to build and deploy Azure solutions and connect that back to SharePoint or SharePoint Online.
Okay, well, good. Well, Steve, you've been in the SharePoint world for a while now. How do you think this conference will be different than the past?
It's interesting, right? Because I don't think there's going to be a lot of new news. It's going to be things like, we've got the Office 365, we've got the cloud. How do these things begin to change how developers and IT pros do their job in and around SharePoint? So I think the cloud is going to play a fairly important role in this year's SPC. I also think when you look at where people are shifting towards, right? The last time around, there was a lot of new news. Now it's how do we get into, SharePoint 2000 and so on. So a lot of migration questions and a lot of cloud questions. I think those are the types of things that'll be focused on. But the interesting thing is SharePoint 2010 has been around now for a year.
Sure.
So hopefully we're going to see a lot of 300 and 400 type sessions where people are now underneath the covers as opposed to, a lot of 100, 200 level sessions where they were just exploring it before. I think that'll be exciting.
Steve, I might have to disagree with you on the cloud thing. It's in Southern California. There's no clouds there.
So whenever you're driving to Anaheim, you didn't change your flight 3 times.
No, I think.
Hey, how are your shoulders doing there, Scott? Holding up that sign.
So Jan, what's the social event you're looking forward to? Jan disappeared.
No, he's there. He's concentrating.
I think Jan is just thinking, oh, we lost Jan.
Uh-oh. Scott, what social event are you looking forward to?
I think 3 big ones. So there's an MCM MVP on Monday night by special invite you got to get to if you can. On Tuesday, you get the big party at Disneyland. Wednesday night, you get October Fiesta that Jornada is helping sponsor. I think those are the 3 big events you got to get to.
Steve, how about you, other than the House of Blues?
Oh my God, there's so many. I think the House of Blues event on Thursday, but obviously the big ticket is the attendee party. I would definitely go into that one. And there's this Fiesta party on Wednesday night. Have you heard about this, Scott? There's some Fiesta party.
I think there might be goodies that were given away, and there might even be a celebrity appearance there. So
Nice.
Really? Nice.
Yes. So and the celebrity appearance is going to be ducks. Just to not give it away too broadly, but
that's
hear
the
you dressed up as
October
Bat
Fiesta. That's what it is.
That's
October
right.
Fiesta, exactly. Don't miss that one. That's one of the best ones.
Is the band The Horses End be there?
I'm lobbying to get Horses in there, and I think we're going to make that happen.
Okay.
As
awesome.
you know, Jeff Orosky just joined Jornada actually today.
Good.
A big news.
So if you need a front act, I know who to call. All right.
I think we're going to have Ducks and Steve open the opening act there. Yeah.
Good.
Steve
All
Ballmer.
right. Well, guys, this is good stuff. We're all excited about SPC 11. I don't know what happened to Jan, but
You know, he's so excited by project, he just overwhelmed his server there or whatever. So
I think his hat. I think it overtook his circuits and just moved the circuits.
too much thinking. All those books.
That's right.
Anyway, thank you guys. Looking forward to see everyone in a couple of days in Anaheim. But other than that, enjoyed talking to you, and onward to the SPC 11.
All right.
Awesome.
Thanks,
Thanks,
guys.
Doc.
See ya.
Take care.
See you guys.